Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you were new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. We do a little bit of everything here, so if you enjoy subscription boxes and product reviews, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You're already here. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. Guys, as you can see, today we have the September 2020, I have to cover up my address, Candy Club box. This box is huge. So if you're not familiar with Candy Club, it is a candy subscription. They send you 6 different candies every month, and you kind of fill out a profile. So you let them know if you want sour, if you want sweet, just what you like, and they make a box tailored to that. Now it is $29.99 a month, but I have a coupon code, and that is SM10. That will get you $10 off your first box. So I'll put a link down below, and that promo code, so definitely head over, check them out, sign up, because I've had my eye on this subscription for a while, I'll be honest. So when they asked if I wanted to review this, I was like, by all means, yes. So thank you, Candy Club, for sending this to me. I do greatly appreciate it. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what I got. I told them primarily sweet, but a little bit of sour was okay. Definitely more of a sweet girl. Now my husband and my son, they're sour. So if there's anything sour in here, they can have that. Otherwise, guess what? All right. So when you open it, it says, live sweetly. And then you have your 6 different candies. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at that. Like, why would this is just this fun, like, and cute. All right, so let's get this massive box here. All right, so I'm just gonna kind of go through them. I may try 1 or 2 of these, but yeah, so let's just see what we got. I apologize for the barking. My parents are out of town, and we have their 2 pups here. One of them is actually Oscar's brother. So we have 2 Dachshunds here and a Chihuahua. So they're going crazy. Yeah, I miss my Otis even more because he was quiet. So let's get to the candy. All right, so the first one here is green apple drops. So that is what that one looks like. And this says, tart and tangy green apple chews with a playful sour sweet twist. Yum. All right, and then we have got gummy unicorns. You can kind of see them in there. Light and airy gummies in a mystically delicious array of fruity flavors. That sounds good. And then we have got blue raz sour belts. So I'll show you those. You can kind of see them. And this says blue raspberry ribbons showered in mouth-watering sour sugar crystals. Those right there, I can tell you Christopher will love. And then strawberry wheels. You can kind of see. That's cool how they're like. Sweet and toothsome rolls of classic strawberry licorice. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, does this say what I think it says? What? Hold on a minute. Oh my goodness. Yes, I'm gonna love these. Hopjes. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Coffee bits. That's right, y'all. This is candy, but it says coffee. The perfect bite of eye-opening coffee flavor. A cup of joe on the go. Coffee and candy, yes. Yes, by all means. And then our 6th and final is cupcake party. Oh, build your own cupcake with these sweet gummy pieces. It's party time. Oh, and it's cute. Okay, so there you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but it looks like you have like the cupcake bottom, like right here. And then you have like the ice cream, like the icing. So when they're saying build build your cupcake. That's what they mean. I've got to try. I got to try this. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, okay. So let's try this one. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's like filled to the top. So this is an icing. So we're gonna try that. That is so good. Doesn't really taste like cupcake, but it's not like fruity. I don't know, it's just delicious. What did it say? Just these sweet gummy pieces. It's just this amazing flavor. It's not fruity. It's not like a cupcakey, vanilla type. It's just something magical. Seriously, that is like so good, but I cannot describe it. It's awesome. And I have to try one of the coffee ones. So let's get these open. And again, filled to the top. They don't play. They are not stingy with their candy. All right. Coffee. Here it comes. I was like, oh. All right, so that's just what it looks like. It's hard. I thought it was gonna be chewy. This literally tastes like coffee. Like, it literally tastes like a cup of coffee with a little bit of cream and sugar. Or maybe like a vanilla creamer, because it's got an underlying sweetness. That's good. When you bite it, it was like this explosion of just amazing coffee sweetness. Oh my gosh, I love that. So that, the hop jis, I apologize, the coffee bits, delicious. And again, this is what it looks like. And then the cupcake party, that was really good. Like I said, I cannot describe that one because it's not fruity. It is not vanilla cream flavor. It's this own flavor that it's just absolutely delicious. And then we also again had the blue raz sour belts, and we have the gummy unicorns. These say fruity, so I know I was gonna think if they would be the same as the cupcake, but they said that they're fruity. The green apple drops, which sound really good, and the strawberry wheels. Now these are all 6-ounce jars, and this, like I said, is $29.99 a month. And again, I have that promo code SM10, which I'll put down below along with a link, and you get this for $19.99 for your first month. However, they do have another plan where it's the same 6, but it's double. So you would get 6 like 12-ounce containers. That is $39.99. So it's just $10 more to double the candy. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that. But that is my September 2020 Candy Club box. Again, thank you so much to Candy Club for reaching out and asking me to do this. I love it. My husband is going to be happy. My son is going to be happy. That coffee candy is phenomenal. So guys, let me know what you thought down below. I love hearing from you guys. And don't forget, please, to give the video a thumbs up. It does help me out. I do want to say a special thank you to our channel members. Your support does mean so much to me. I truly appreciate it. And guys, just anyone being here watching, I appreciate that support too. You know, leaving comments and liking the videos helps me so much. So thank you. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.